Hey guys, welcome back to RSCARPREMIUM. So we have got an Innova Hycross to get 360-degree upgraded on original system. So let me show you how it is going to work on Innova Hycross. So guys, the 360-degree have been installed over here. So if you see here, right, we have given a knob over here, and if you see here, the sensors are over here. So if you see here, this will be the complete front recording. We'll be getting it. This is the front, and it will cover around 170-degree in the front. Then this will be a zoom option for you in the front option. Then you get your back, which will come with the guidelines you get. Back also without guidelines you get, and this will be a zoom option which we'll be getting it. Then this will be a complete side view of your car, and this is the front wheels, what you are going to see here, right? So we are able to see the completely front wheels over here, and you get your setting options over here. So it will be much more easier for you while driving. It will be easily, as you are going to put your reverse or drive mode, you can easily use it. So guys, when you put indicator, it will show your right side, and if you see here, right, when you put left side, left indicator also will work. So which will be very helpful for us when we are taking a right or left turn. So guys, if you see here, right, if I put a reverse, the reverse function also will be working. So if you guys wanted to get your car upgraded with 360-degree camera, please reach out to RSCARPREMIUM.